In this tutorial, I will show you the basics of doing a PsycInfo search. Remember, PsycInfo is a database in which you can search for psychological articles. Start by going to the library's website. That's iris@unl.edu. Click Articles, Full Text, and More. Scroll down. Click Psychology. Scroll down and click PsycInfo. If you are off campus, you'll be asked to sign in with your last name and NUID. You can search by entering keywords, and you can select which field you want to search. Click Search. The results here contain all the articles that had the word aggression in their title. If you want to search by author, you can type the author's name in the search box and select author as the search field. And this brings up all the articles with Loftus as an author. There are some other features that you can also use when doing your search. Click Thesaurus. If you are using a term and you would like to find out if other researchers are using a different term to describe the same concept, type your term into the box. Select term contains and click Browse. And here is the term that we entered. Click. And here is a definition of the term that we entered. So blame is to assign fault or responsibility for an event or state or behavior or the condition of fault or responsibility for something believed to deserve censure. Here are some synonyms in the literature. So other people might have used guilt when describing this concept. Some people use shame. So if you want a complete search, you can check all these and click Add. And that puts all those terms in your search box, and you can click Search, and the results will bring up all the articles that included your search term as well as all the other search terms that you added. Here's another tip for finding articles from a particular author. Click Indexes. Go to Browse and Index and select the author index. Type in the name or the last name of the author you're trying to find and click Browse. In the results section, look for the names that appear to be the author that you're trying to find. Check all that would apply and click Add. Search. And here you get a list of all the articles published by that author. One final tip, let's go back to indexes. Under Browse and Index, let's look for Test and Measures, And if you're trying to find all articles that used a particular scale or measure, type the name of that measure in the box. So click Browse. And here's the scale that we're trying to find. Click Add. And click Search. And the search result brought up all the articles that used the scale, the self-compassion scale. Another thing that you can do is search multiple databases at the same time. Click Choose a database and select the databases that you wish to search. Click OK. Now when you do your search, you're searching two databases at the same time. You can also limit the time period of your searches and you can also choose to only display articles that are peer-reviewed. Click Update. And here are the peer-reviewed articles published between 2007 and 2010.